In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can fix the cannot be displayed error here in Telegram where channels or messages don't show up properly. Before we dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this usually does happen because of Telegram's sensitive content filter, but don't worry, this is an extremely easy fix. Begin by opening up a browser on your phone or computer, not the Telegram app, and go to web.telegram.org and log in with your Telegram account using your phone number or QR code. Once you are logged in, go ahead and tap on those three lines down in the top left corner. And you'll see a settings option within here. Open that up. From here, scroll down and you're going to see a privacy and security tab. Open that up. And from here, scroll down again and you're going to look for an option that says sensitive content. Go ahead and tick this box to show 18 plus content, aka disable filtering. This is going to turn off that filter and allow all content to display normally. Now, when you go back to your chats, everything that had previously said cannot be displayed should load correctly. But that is it. It is super simple to fix. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. We can help you out further. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.